Hello everyone, good day. I am Shahriar Islam, working as the Business Development Specialist in Mindmapper Bangladesh. Recently, I have completed a fabulous course on Neuro-Linguistic Programming, which is Professional Certification on NLP, conducted by one of the most profound trainers over the globe. She is none other than Sheetal Jatwani. I must say, I have hardly found a very knowledgeable, friendly, flexible and cooperative trainer like her. I started doing this course with a vision to be an expert on NLP, and she is the leader who showed me clearly how I can be. I have learned how to transform my mindset, thinking pattern, and how to focus on growth for my personal and professional life. I highly recommend this course for everyone so that you can equip yourself with the life-changing techniques and methodologies to transform your life. Thank you. Looking forward to enjoying more courses from this life-changing course.